Hey friends, if you are unable to install Forza Horizon 5 on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Okay. First of all, open any browser and check for Forza Horizon 5 PC system requirements. Okay, then we'll go to this option here. So check about the minimum system requirements, and these are not sufficient. So you will search for recommended system requirements instead. Okay, so it says Ryzen 5 and a certain version, i5 at least 8th generation, a 16 GB RAM, a proper NVIDIA or an AMD graphics card, a dedicated video RAM and all. So make sure that you have the recommended requirements at least. This is mandatory. Then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can select date and time. Okay, you can check all of these three options and finally click on sync now. Okay, once this is done, you can also update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager and go to device manager. Okay, expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and then update the drivers. Right click on the second one and then update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.